welcome to a very fun, exciting video. I am filming this on December 23rd, and there's a little bit of a crochet Christmas miracle that may have happened. So Crafty with Jackie ended up getting a brand collaboration and sponsorship. So today I'm going to be doing a yarn haul and showing you the yarn I got, talking about future projects I'll be doing with it, and all that fun stuff. So let's dive into it and do a yarn unboxing. So here is the package I got, and I am so excited to open this for the very first time. Oh my gosh, guys, this yarn, she is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's the Ala Lana super bulky weight hot pink. And this video today is sponsored by Crochet. Thank you so many people to the people at crochet.com. Check out some great yarn products that I'll be doing a review on. And this yarn, this wool is so soft. Wow. This is so exciting. So I got this and a whole bunch more. And can you guess what I'm making with this? I'm going to be making the viral super chunky hooded cardigan. And I can't wait to make my very own in this adorable super soft hot pink wool yarn. And of course, you can't forget your project without your crochet hook. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's one of the ergonomic crochet hooks on their site you can get. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. This is a 9mm crochet hook that I'll be using with my yarn. This is so crazy. Oh, they even wrote me a cute little note. Wait guys, this is so sweet. It says, "Thank you for being part of the crochet family, Jackie." Oh my gosh, crochet.com. I love to be part of this family, let me tell you. I am just so excited. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Even able to use your yarn. I'm obsessed with everything on the website. If I could have chose everything, I would have. So I'm just so excited to be showing everyone how fun and cool crochet is and how much you can do. It's not just a grandma hobby. You can make so many fun things like this project I'll be doing. So stay tuned to the next video. Step-by-step tutorial for how to crochet the viral hooded cardigan. And I just can't wait to get into it. It's like so eager to like rip it off and just like get to it. But yeah, this is beautiful. Guys, I wish you could like feel it. Like look at how chunky and just cozy this looks. Wait till it gets into a beautiful sweater. And I think this is one of their newer drops on their website, so I'll be reviewing it as I do in the tutorial. It truly is a crochet Christmas miracle, and I guess maybe you could call this my one and only Vlogmas video I'll be doing. Crochet.com, I am greatly appreciative of this opportunity to be able to make my creations come to life, so thank you so much. And everyone, come back very soon in the new year. I'll be showing you the tutorial from start to finish, how to make the viral crochet hooded cardigan. So until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!